If you're one of those lucky enough to have a pension, count your blessings. But with pensions come choices. The RetireMax Pension Analyzer tab is designed to compare different options within a pension plan, not to calculate what those figures would be. The actual numbers would be retrieved from another source, including our online National Pension Library under the State Retirement tab. Once you have the numbers, use this tab to cleanly illustrate the differences between multiple options and help your clients maximize their cash flow while protecting their heirs. This client is retiring at age 65 with 35 years of service, and the highest average salary is $60,000. We'll use a 12% federal tax rate. Notice there's a 2.3% state factor as a default, but does not calculate the monthly pension. It's only used to illustrate what that particular pension factor might be. The monthly pension income is $4,000 and was obtained from a pension calculator. The partial lump sum income is $3,000 and was also obtained from a pension calculator. 36 months is in the partial lump sum cell as a default, but does not calculate the lump sum. It's only used to illustrate what that particular pension lump sum months might be. Again, this tab is for comparison purposes only. The partial lump sum amount is $120,000, and the partial lump sum months is 36. The state factor is 2.3%, $200 for health insurance costs, and a 5% projected withdrawal rate from the partial lump sum. The joint survivor cost is 8% and was also retrieved from a pension calculator. Under the Retirement Income Comparison section, you can now compare the partial lump sum income to the regular pension income. To give an overall income scenario, you can also include additional income under the Other Income line and the Social Security line. We'll put $1,000 in the Other Income cell and $1,500 in the Social Security cell. In the Tax-Free Income cell, we'll put $500. Note that the net income for the partial lump sum is $5,369, compared to the regular pension income of $5,738, a difference of $369. For that difference, the client will receive a partial lump sum of $120,000. Under the partial lump sum and other accumulation values, you can illustrate the PLSO being deferred for a number of years and showing an increase of PLSO income in the above scenario. The other income can also be increased in the same manner. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed, just think about how your client is feeling right now. Pension decisions deserve more than a yellow pad. The more you use this tab, the more you'll love it. And your clients will love that their retirement net actually matched up with what their advisor told them. Get ready for lots of referrals.